Konnichiwa. Watashi no atara video e yokoso. So, in this video, we are going to talk about Chainsaw Man didn't made enough on box office. So Chainsaw Man made $8,455,851. In Japan, an opening and gross collection in Japan is $19,994,240. But worldwide, it collected $26 million. But in India, Chainsawman REZE got on opening day 0.5 crore, where demonslayer collected 12.85 crore. But Chainsaw Man increased on day 2 to 0.75 crore, and on day 3, 0.95 crore. But it didn't keep rising, and Chainsaw Man collection took dip on day 4 to 0.4 crore, and it kept same till 7th day. And now let me tell you, Demon Slayer Infinity Castle box office. Collection first, Pakistan is 286,000 on its first week. But let's come to India. So in India, on first day, Demon Slayer collected 12.85 crore. And on second day, it increased to 13.1 crore. Cause of Saturday, and it was same for Sunday. 13.85 crore. But it didn't kept same cause. Demon Slayer also took huge dip on Monday. It collected 3.9 crore. And on day 5, 4 crore day, 6. 3.5 crore. But Thursday, it got more or less 2.27 crores. But on domestic box office, 120,502,597 million, and international, it is 487,224,153 million. Now, overall worldwide box office is 616 million, and this is total. I want Chainsaw Man to collect more, but yeah, this is it for this video. Bye.